You sleep enough, you eat clean, you even try to work out, but somehow your body still feels off. You wake up tired, you crash in the afternoon, and that little belly, it never goes away. Maybe you've blamed your age, your stress, your willpower, but what if I told you it's not your fault? Here's what's actually happening inside you. Every time you eat, your body releases a hormone called insulin. Its job is simple: to move the sugar from your blood into your cells so your cells can turn it into energy. But when you eat too often, too much sugar, or too many processed foods, your body keeps releasing insulin again and again and again. Over time, your cells stop listening. It's like they're saying, enough, we're full. And that's called insulin resistance. The sugar stays in your blood instead of being burned. Your body panics. It thinks your cells are starving. So it tells your liver to store more fat, especially around your belly. That's why you feel tired after meals. That's why you crave snacks, even when you've just eaten. And that's why losing weight feels impossible. But don't worry, this is 100% reversible. Your body isn't broken, it just needs to learn how to listen again. If you want to go deeper to understand every step, what to eat, when to eat, and how to rebuild your energy naturally, it's all inside my guide. You can get it from the link in the description. No drugs, no starvation, just logic and real results. Tap the link below, read it tonight, and watch what happens when your body starts listening again.